Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Jotform tutorial for beginners. So this is what it looks like. And by the way, what is this Jotform I'm talking about? So without any prior coding experience or technological know-how, you may develop, modify, and manage online forms using a form builder, which is a web-based platform. It's a simple method for creating responsive, strong forms in a matter of minutes. To start, what you're going to do is to go to Jotform and you can sign up here using your Google account, Microsoft account, and you can also sign up using your email. Now, this one will pop up and you can now start creating your form. So you can just select or go to the search bar and type the template that you need or you want to use. So these are the samples we have here for appointment requests, feedback. We have here for product, medical, and so on. So let's just say if you want to look for a form for travel or interest survey or evolution travel or something like that, you just have to type it right here and select the template that you like. But before that, let's move on first to the features of this jet form. So beside jet form, you will see here my forms. If you tap this arrow facing down, you will see the features such as my forms, my tables, my reports, my approvals, my apps, my signed documents, which I'm going to explain later. And you can also create a team by tapping this create a team button. On the upper part section or right part section, you will see here my forms and the templates. If you tap this arrow facing down, you can see here different templates integrations if you want to add such as payment method like PayPal and other integration here like Zoom or Google Calendar. So all you have to do is to tap this one. You can tap this to see more apps and look for more integration here. So you can add box and so on. Now, for products, you will see here the products that you can avail or you can choose once you search or add these products to your chat form. That means you can add this once you have created your form. We have your support just in case you want to add something or there is an error while using this chat form. You can go to support and go to the customer service. So if you tap this all forms, you will see all the forms that you have created, like what I mentioned earlier. And above, you can see here the options such as submissions, reports, apps, add to calendar, move to team. We have here more options. You can move to archive, mark all read, or you can move to trash if you want. If you want to edit form, you just have to go to this area right here, edit form. You can see the inbox. And if you want to see more options and features, tap this more and this arrow facing down. Okay, so that is the features and options what you tap once you tap this all forms right here. We have your filters if you want to look for something, okay, and you want to search it or you want to arrange it according to this, like dates or alphabetical order. If you're looking for something because you have tons of forms here, you just have to go to the search bar and look for that form. So that is what's inside all forms. And below we have here create a new folder. Under my teams, we have here create team. We have here shared with me. So you don't have shared any forms yet. If you have, then you can see it right here, assign forms, drafts. We have here favorites. We have here archive and trash if you want to see all of the forms that you have deleted. So if you tap your profile and then you see these options, okay? So if you go to settings, these are the options that you can see. If you tap settings, you can change your account name here. Time format, time zone, language, subscription, sender emails, and then we have here security. Okay, so if you want to log out your jot form from other device, you just have to go to security. You can go to users and we have here integration, data history, API usage, increase limits, and we have here partnership. So that is under settings. But let's move on to the other features right here. So let's just say you want to create a form, which is really our main purpose for this tutorial. So you will see here the following: start from scratch, use template, import a form, create signable document. Let's start with starts to scratch. So we have your classic form or card form. Let's choose the first one here, which is the classic form. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And don't worry, it's easy to use. So here you have, or you can see three elements or features here. Basic, we have here our payments and widgets. So under basic, you can see your headings, full names, all the basic information that you want to drag and apply or put on your form. Let's just say you want to create a form. First, you want to add a name. Okay, and then here you want to add this address, okay, so that anyone can type or write their name, address. And then in the second page, or if you want to add more, you just have to simply drag that feature or element to this page or form right here. You can click this add page if you think that it's too much or it cannot occupy the first page. So click more add page if you want, and this is the result. If you want to add collaborators or if you want someone to edit something here on your form, you can share this link to that someone. All you have to do is to copy, paste, and share it to their whatever platform, social media platforms they have. Then they are able or they can simply open this and change something whatever they want because they are your collaborator. For payments, if you want to add like PayPal here, you can just simply select and drag it. And if you want to edit something like the mode, currency, and whatever features here, you can just simply delete or change the features and options inside this PayPal form here. Now, if you want to change the layout or if you want to change the style, all you have to do is to click and go to the right panel. You will see here the layout options and then feel free to change the themes. Okay. So choose which one you think is matched to your form. And don't worry, these are for free. So you just select the theme that you think is okay for you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you want to add something, you just have to click this form, documents, or elements again. Okay, so above you can see here build, settings, publish. Under settings, you will see the options such as this. Emails. Okay, you can add email here if you want. We have here conditions. Okay, so you can select from any of the following features here if you want to add. Thank you page. If you want to add a thank you page, then you can just simply tap or select from any of these here. Integrations, if you want to integrate, if you want to connect something, or if you want to connect your Jotform or your form to other applications, such as the following here, you just have to simply select that. For example, Google Sheet. So just tap one and follow some instructions if you want to. Okay, if you can find it here, go to the search bar and then look for that. For example, Zapier. And then we have here approval flows. If you want to create an approval flow, you just have to tap this one right here. Jotform sign. If you want to create your own signature, something like that, you can add it right here and then add it to your form and so on. Okay, so that is under settings. Now for publish, if you want to publish your form, you just have to click this. If you want to copy your link, if you want to invite someone, you just have to enter their email address and then publish your work. You can tap this preview form to see what it looks like if you see it on a mobile view, okay, tablet view or desktop view. You just have to click this preview form right here. And once you're okay with that, then way to go. You can now publish or share your form. Now, going back, once you're okay with that, once you know that, then if you go to your chat form here and then click this create form, we have your other options, right? If you want to use their template, you can use their template. And I think it is also a good thing if you choose from any of the templates here because it can help you do a little test. It makes the test easier. Okay, as you can see, it is already provided here. If you want to look or if you want to add something, then it's just simple. You just have to add something. Now, what you're going to do here is just have to change the themes if you want to change the themes. But when it comes to the elements, it's already provided with their given templates. Another thing we have here import form. So obviously, if you want to import a form, all you have to do is to tap this one. If you want to import from a page, then you have to paste the URL here and then create form. If you cloned your existing form, then you just have to select that existing form here and then go back and or type this create form. And then after that, you can also import PDF form if you want. Okay, and then lastly, we have here create signable document. So if you tap this one right here, then you can upload a document if you have on your device, or you could also use their template. Okay, so if you tap this choose a template, then you can choose from any of the template right here, and then you can add some features if you want. So after that, after you have created your own chat form, then you can simply share this one. Talking about the pricing, it is always better to upgrade your account, of course. As you can see, these are the features that you can use once you avail this a free version. But if you upgrade to any of these plans right here, then it would be better because you can unlock these features and more features to unlock once you have upgraded your plan. But it's okay. You can still use Jotform and create a template from scratch or from any of the templates here, even if you use the free version. Okay, so I really hope that this video helped you. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.